What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a phone to a 2017 Cadillac XT5 using Bluetooth. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings, go into your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen. If you're not already there, go ahead and click the phone menu from the top right here. And that's going to bring us to this screen, and then we'll click Pair Device. Now we want to grab our phone and look under the available devices, and you see it come up there as Cadillac Q. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on your center screen, and it does, so I'm going to click Yes. And then on my phone, I'm going to click Pair. And now we're connected. This is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set that up right now. But that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.